We briefly talked about the print function in a previous video, but let's go into more detail of what this function is and what it does. First, a function in Python is a reusable action. The print function prints out, or a better way to say it is, it displays any value passed to it. It is used to output a variable. You'll hear the print function also referred to as the print command, and it also is referred to as the print instruction. To give some examples, we'll create print as the function and then put a string hello world, and we'll do print another string 3 2 1, and then we'll add another print command go. When we run the code, we'll get 3 results here for each line: hello world, 3 2 1, and go. The print command can also display variables like this example here. We'll create a variable called greeting, and we'll assign it hello world in a string. And we'll print the variable greeting, and we'll run the code. And we get hello world. So it's recognizing the variable greeting from the value assigned to it. We'll do a couple more examples. We'll have the print command, and then we'll assign it a string. And then we'll create a variable, assign it a value. And then we'll print the last name variable. And we'll run the code, and then we get it will print Buzz here, and then last name has been assigned a value, and when we run the print command again, it's going to print Lightyear. In another example, we'll create a variable called x. We'll assign it the value Python. We'll do y equals is, and then z equals awesome, all strings. And then we'll run the print command, and then we have x, y, and z, so we'll do x plus y plus z. And when we run it, we'll get Python is awesome. Now the spaces are there because in the string, the space was added. If these spaces were removed, then all 3 words will be combined, as you can see here. In Python, if you were to try to use the print function and combine a string with a number using the plus sign, you'll get an error. So in this example, x equals 5, and then we'll do y equals a string value of 10, and we'll run the print command x plus y, and we'll try to run it. We get an error here. You can't have an integer, which is 5, and add it to a string, which is 10. If we were to change the 10 to an actual number and run it, we get the result 15. In Python, the best way to output multiple variables in the print function is to separate them with commas, which even supports different data types. So in this example, we'll have x equals 5. We'll do y equals John, and we'll change this to x comma y. So before we got an error because we tried to have 5 plus John, In this case, the comma will prevent the error from running when we run this code. And we just get 5 space John. It's almost treating 5 as a string. It's basically treating the 5 as a string. And we'll do another example where we'll assign x equals Python as a string. And we won't add a space like we did last time. We'll do y equals string is, and no space, and then z equals awesome. And we'll run the print command, and instead of having x plus y plus z, we'll just do x comma y comma z. And when we run the line of code, we get Python is awesome and they're spaced out. This is the preferred way when outputting multiple variables.